guys ready for an extended stretch? Well, let's get it going on. Option, right heel on the ground, just like this. Or, if you have a stability bar, just like this. Your choice. Extended stretch. You can have your hands on your stability bar. You can have your right heel on the ground. Absolutely, entirely up to you. Whatever works best for you. Oh, you're gonna love this extended stretch. We're gonna hold these poses a little longer to really make sure we elongate. All right, hold onto your bar, hold onto a wall. Let's get a nice hip flexor stretch. Shoulders back down and away from your ears. Core nice, solid, and tight. Now, if you want to work balance, put your hand on your hip. Or have it right there. Or you could have your hand on a wall. Stretching out the front of that right leg. Good job. Now, we're just simply going to do the same thing on the left side. Left heel down, toes up, right here. Or if you're comfortable, put your leg up and a nice stretch. You're going to feel this in the calf, in the hamstrings, and in the glutes. Beautiful stretch right here. Okay, you're going to take that away. We're going to grab, we're going to stretch out the front of that left hip flexor. Knee to knee alignment, chest tall and proud. You're going to feel this in the front of that left leg. All right, guys, you're going to take your feet wide, hands on your knees, look over the left shoulder. Spinal rotation. Really working on spine mobility. You're opening up in through your inner thighs. Look over that right shoulder. Take the time to stretch. Work on flexibility, mobility, elongation. Look over that left shoulder. Look over that right shoulder. All right, you guys, you're going to come up, take your feet hip width apart, touch your toes. Touch your toes. Rest your head, no tension in your head, neck, or shoulders. Make sure you have your weight evenly distributed in between both feet. You're feeling the stretch, calves, hamstrings, glutes, maybe a little bit low back. Take some tension off the head, neck, and shoulders. Absolutely relax. All right, you guys, hands on your knees. We're going to roll down, 2, up 2, spinal mobility. Down, 2, up, 2, 2 more, down, 2, up, 2, 1 more, down, 2, roll it all the way up for 4, 3, 2, big arm circles, up over your head, up, back, feet hip width apart, feet hip width apart, open it up, shoulder mobility, open, way behind, keep the right hand behind, keep it behind, left hand behind, interlace your fingers, chest expansion, feet hip width apart, look over your right shoulder, work cervical mobility, neck mobility, shoulders back down and away, look over your left shoulder, head center, look over your right shoulder, right ear, right shoulder, center, left ear, left shoulder, head center, one more time, right ear, right shoulder, head center, left ear, left shoulder. Take your fingers up, grab that right wrist, side lean, eye gaze to the ceiling. Grab that left wrist, take it to the right side, eye gaze to the left, eye gaze to the ceiling. Hands up, nice tricep stretch. Core nice, solid, tight. Left tricep stretch. Sitting up nice and tall. Deep breath in. And exhale one more time. We're all done. Extended stretch. Inhale. Come to heart center. Angie, Angie Fitness TV.